Y'all, I'm in the car. Yes, I am. I'm in the car. I hope everyone's doing good, y'all. Y'all probably saw me vlogging a little bit earlier, y'all. I was at 5 and below. Y'all, this ain't gonna be no long one because I'm still actually working, okay? But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share this video out with anyone and everyone, okay? I got Mama ONG with me, y'all. That's that arm you see right there. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Okay, y'all. This ain't gonna be long. Y'all, the only thing that I did get, I told them extra cheese. Y'all, I just got me some cheese tater tots, y'all, right here. Y'all see? I don't want to spill it. Cheese tater tots. That's it. That's all. All my cheese heads, cheese lovers. I just want a little something, y'all, because later on I'm be making dinner for myself. And y'all, it's almost 5 o'clock. It's almost dinner time. Wow. But I was up late. I was up super duper late last night. So, and when I say I slept in, I slept in. So my day got started a little late. Y'all, I'm finna put some salt and some pepper on these. So anyway, y'all talk to me. Y'all, I don't do car moot. Y'all, I ain't done no car mukbang in so long. It's crazy. Yeah, my mom over here eating. She got the Little Fish Factory. It's a little place out here called Little Fish Factory, y'all. She got some codfish. She has some spinach, have vegetables, and she had some French fries. Come with French fries, y'all, and it come with some coleslaw or any side that you really want, but it comes with it. That's what she normally get when she go to Little Fish Factory. Y'all, let me show y'all her plate. She almost done. Let me show you. Y'all, she almost done. So, she cleaned that up. Yeah, I really asked Sonic to give me some fresh tater tots, and it tastes like they didn't give me no fresh one. They like hard as a rock. It's okay though. It is what it is. It was only like $4, y'all, for this. I should get a little thumbnail, huh? A thumbnail real quick, y'all. Alright. Yeah, I should have got some chili on here. I should have got chili and cheese. But I'm not trying to be on the toilet messing around with Sonic's chili. Put an amen in the comments. Anyway, y'all, it's a beautiful day here in San Antonio. Like, for real. All I'm doing is making money. I work every day. Still social distancing though. Social distance. Anyway, y'all. Tomorrow's Sunday. So today, happy Saturday, y'all. Hope everyone's having a blessed Saturday. On Sunday, I plan on going to church, y'all, with my family. Most of the time, that's what I do on Sundays. And I'm trying to put my little outfit together, y'all, but I'm trying to find a place. I don't know if I'm going to Walmart. I'm going to go to Melrose. There's a little store out here called Melrose to get some skinny white jeans, like all white, y'all. And I went to the gas station today, y'all, and my zipper came off my wallet. I said, okay, I'm gonna have to go to somebody's good old beauty supply or something and get another wallet, y'all. My wallet is giving up on me. Hey, y'all, check out the coldest water bottle too while you're down there. Go in my description box below and check it out. Click the link. But anyway, I need to get a new wallet, y'all. This one here, look, the zipper broke, y'all. Look how old this thing is. The zipper broke on you, girl. So this is like a vlog / car mook, y'all. Period. Anyway, y'all, look, I'm about to get back to work. Sorry, this wasn't long. Came through, said, hey, what's up? I'm trying to keep these videos rolling, keep them posted, keep on grinding. No matter what, no matter when, no matter how. I love y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed. It's your girl, OMG. Yay! Let's eat with C. Y'all remember to always stay faithful. I love you. See y'all later.